Ugalard was a war boss of the Snakebites, serving Ghazghul Mag Uruk Thraka. One of Gaz's best and baddest enforcers, who led his own tribe during the Second War for Armageddon. During the scrap to get Hades' Hive, the Prophet of Gork and Mork was well annoyed with the Umis not dying quick enough. Sending Ugalard to sort it out, the Snakebites led a charge against the Umis, breaking through their defenses before being confronted by a wary old man. Dressed in his fancy uniform, with a deep scowl on his face, Ugalard was so impressed by the Umi's tenacity, he threw away his shooter to scrap with him up close and personal. Wounding each other until Ugalard cut off the Umi's arm with his claw. As Ugalard shouted his victory, that "This world is green," the smaller Git cut his head off with his chainsword. Refusing to collapse from the pain as he held Ugalard's claw in the air, the Snakebites fled, and when regrouping with the other boys, told stories about a new enemy known as Old Baelai. Old Baelai replacing his lost arm with Ugalard's power claw. For decades, this Umi known by them as Sebastian Yarrick proved to be the greatest enemy Ghazghul Mag Uruk Thraka would ever face. Shame about Ugalard though, he might have been as mean and green as they come, but he never was good at shutting his gob when he should have.